Bitcoin is a scam. It has no real value. Governments will ban it. You've probably heard these statements before, but are they actually true? In this video, we're busting 10 of the biggest Bitcoin myths that people still believe. And trust me, some of these will shock you. So, if you're thinking about investing in Bitcoin or just want to know the truth, stick around. Let's separate facts from fiction. Hey everyone, welcome back to MoneyWise, your go-to channel for smart investing and financial freedom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos on crypto, stocks, and wealth building. Today, we're busting 10 of the biggest Bitcoin myths that people still believe. If you've ever been confused about Bitcoin, this video will clear up everything for you. Let's dive right in. Myth number 1. Bitcoin is a scam. Bitcoin has been around for over a decade and is backed by one of the most secure networks in the world. Unlike scams that disappear overnight, Bitcoin is used by millions of people and major companies like Tesla, Microsoft, and PayPal. Bitcoin's blockchain is transparent, decentralized, and can't be controlled by any single entity. That's the opposite of a scam. Myth number 2. Bitcoin has no real value. Gold, the US dollar, and even real estate only have value because people believe in them. Bitcoin is no different. Bitcoin is scarce, decentralized, and immune to inflation. That's why companies and investors are treating it as digital gold. Myth number 3. Bitcoin will be banned by governments. Some countries tried banning Bitcoin, but it still survives. Many governments are actually adopting and regulating it instead. The US, Canada, and most of Europe allow Bitcoin trading. Even countries like El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender. Myth number 4. Bitcoin is only used for illegal activities. While Bitcoin was used in black market transactions early on, today over 99% of Bitcoin transactions are legal. Major businesses, banks, and even governments are using Bitcoin for legitimate transactions. Meanwhile, criminals still prefer cash because it's harder to trace. Myth number 5. Bitcoin can be hacked. Bitcoin's blockchain has never been hacked. It is one of the most secure networks in existence. Most hacks happen on crypto exchanges, not Bitcoin itself. If you store your Bitcoin in a secure hardware wallet, it's nearly impossible to hack. Myth number 6. Bitcoin is a bubble and will crash to $0. People have been calling Bitcoin a bubble since 2011, and yet, it keeps coming back stronger every time. Bitcoin has gone through multiple crashes, but it always recovers and reaches new highs. Long-term investors who held Bitcoin made life-changing profits. Myth number 7. Bitcoin is bad for the environment. Yes, Bitcoin mining uses energy, but so do banks, data centers, and even gold mining. Over 50% of Bitcoin mining now uses renewable energy, and miners are constantly looking for greener solutions. Myth number 8. Bitcoin transactions are too slow and expensive. While Bitcoin's base layer is slower than Visa, Lightning Network technology now allows instant and nearly free transactions. You can now send Bitcoin anywhere in the world in seconds with very low fees. Myth number 9. Bitcoin will be replaced by another cryptocurrency. Thousands of cryptocurrencies exist, but Bitcoin remains the king because it is the most secure, decentralized, and widely adopted. No other crypto has achieved Bitcoin's level of trust and security. Ethereum and other coins have different use cases, but Bitcoin is here to stay. Myth number 10. It's too late to invest in Bitcoin. People said this when Bitcoin was $1, then $100, then $10,000, and now it's still growing. Bitcoin is still in its early stages. With institutional investors, ETFs, and global adoption increasing, Bitcoin could still have a long way to go. Time to rethink Bitcoin. And that's it. We just debunked 10 of the biggest Bitcoin myths out there. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and comment below which myth surprised you the most. Want to learn more about Bitcoin and crypto? Subscribe to MoneyWise so you don't miss our next big video. The more you understand Bitcoin, the better financial decisions you can make. Keep learning, keep investing, and I'll see you in the next one.